Congratulations! You have completed the selection and implementation of restoration interventions journey. You now have a complete roadmap for choosing the right restoration actions, in the right places, in the right ways. You explored how spatial planning lays the foundation for sustainable restoration, helping prioritize effort, align stakeholders, and avoid conflicts. You learned to identify interventions that are ecologically appropriate, socially legitimate, and feasible, tailored to forest, wetlands, croplands, rangelands, urban landscapes, grasslands, and savannas. You saw how restoration creates nature-based solutions that address urgent challenges, from food security to climate resilience to disaster risk reduction. You explored ecosystem-based adaptation, understanding how restoring ecosystems helps communities adapt to climate change while delivering biodiversity and livelihood benefits. You reviewed practical tools and resources for planning, decision-making, monitoring, and scaling up interventions. At the heart of it all, successful restoration fits interventions into broader landscapes, ecosystems, and communities, with a clear focus on sustainability, resilience, and equity. Now, it's time to put everything together and test your knowledge with the final test.